All right, folks. Well, we're not in Lindo Lake. They're having a great event, but I couldn't have picked a better location. We may give you a shot of this mural behind me. Barney Oldfield actually raced at Lindo Lake. There was a racetrack out there. So I couldn't think of a more apropos spot to show you the 2026 Denali SUV. Now this is the Acadia, which if you kind of wanted a Tahoe, but it's too big and you didn't want to pay the price and fuel mileage wasn't what you wanted to be, this is kind of where you want to go. It's a great SUV for a 3-row, big doors, big rear, back seat. The 3rd row is a little on the tight side. Captain chair, 2nd row. Tons of infotainment. I left it running, so when we do the walk around, you'll be able to see a lot of the features that are on this vehicle. It does have knobs. It's got toggle switches. The only thing that's a little complicated, if you want to do some seat adjustments like lumbar and what have you, you have to do it in the infotainment center and on the knob on the bottom left side of your seat. So that could be a tad bit confusing. But let's go ahead and do a walk around and I'll get you a little up close and personal. All right, we're back looking at the 2026 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive. GMC is upgrade of what you're looking at when you're looking at SUVs. This one has got the leather Woodland interior, 2.5 liter turbocharged inline 4, 328 horsepower, 326 foot-pounds of torque. They backed it up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can tow 5,000 pounds with this 4-cylinder, believe it or not. You can get as much as 7 people in this vehicle. Cargo, 97.5 cubic feet, 25 behind the 3rd row seat. You've also got a 15-inch vertical touchscreen in the front and 11 on the driver's side. The doors are huge on this vehicle, especially the 2nd row. We can open this up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see too much. There's a little bit of a glare, but it's got beautiful wood and leather grain. This is your wood. This is the leather that kind of shows you a topography of, you know, Mount Denali embossed right in it. Really beautiful stitching. Really kind of gives you a luxurious look when it comes to the interior door panels. Bose sound system, which is really nice. They did a great job with that. You've got a big, huge panoramic sunroof that goes full length. You've got a lot of controls on the wheel, and it's a nice, beefy steering wheel to grab a hold of. Like I said, I don't know if we're going to be able to pull that grill, infotainment center in, but the seats all embossed with you know what the vehicle is. You have Elevation, AT4, Denali, and Denali Ultimate. This is the top of the line. You've got 9 cameras on this vehicle, a Bose sound system with 12 speakers, which is huge. You've got an 8-inch heads-up display. You've got Super Cruise, 3rd generation since 2024. Now the Super Cruise is interesting. It's where it's hands-free. You just have to be looking at the steering wheel. Now, if you look how far this door opens. I mean, you can get kids' seats in there. You could pretty much handle it all. And nice captain chairs. And then, of course, you enter from here into the 3rd row seats. It's got StabiliTrak, performance suspension, wireless phone charger, tri-zone climate, heated and ventilated seats. You've got power massaging seats. Even the 3rd row outboard seats are heated, and the 3rd row has they're power operated. Tons and tons of safety. Adaptive cruise, follow distance, forward collision, traffic sign, you name it, it's got it. It's got tons and tons. You're looking at a base price of $65,100 with a destination of $1,995. No real options on this. It'll total out at $67,095. City fuel mileage is 20, 23 highway, and 21 combined. Again, you know, it's just really a vehicle that you could probably use for a small family, but if you don't want, like I said, if you don't want the big one. There you go. It's got, again, all your powers to lower your seats, which, you know, so we've got those down. Then if you want to put that one down, and then this one down. Now you'd have to put the second rows up a little bit so that, you know, you could have a nice flat cargo space. And that's quite a bit of room. And it's all done with the touch of the button. I personally enjoyed this one. I was very impressed with the fuel mileage and the performance. So check it out. This is your 2026 GMC Denali all-wheel drive. Tell you what, check out KCBQ AM 1170, the You Ought to Know show. And don't forget to check out my YouTube page at Mr. Dave Stahl. And I'll see you on KUSI every Saturday morning about 6:40. Other than that, drive safe and check out this mural over here on the wall. That right there in the green race car is Barney Oldfield, and that's as much safety as you can see. Look at that. Is that crazy or is that crazy? All right, come to Lakeside. It's a beautiful place to visit.